Markenstein, look. I don't have much time. They're coming. Listen, I have something to tell you. I was surfing the net, okay? I wasn't using a VPN. I wasn't using a VPN, okay? And I clicked on this shady website, and it was filled with viruses. They're everywhere, and they followed me here. Look, if you're watching this, never surf the net without a VPN. Never. They're coming for you. Look. Wish me luck.
So, what is a VPN? Well, you might know what it is, and you've probably even used one before, but if you don't know what it is, let me explain. Imagine you're in some desolate, zombie-infested no man's land. You have to get across, but you can't just run up in there, so you have to cloak yourself in some way so the zombies can't smell you. You put on a cloaking device, and as you walk through the spooky city, the zombies can't even see or smell you. So it worked, right? Well, what if for 1 second you turned off that cloaking device? What happens? And so the desolate land is the internet. The zombies are the hackers and all the shady websites out there under the hood. And the cloaking device to keep you safe from all of that is a VPN. So now you see how dangerous it can be to use free public Wi-Fi without a VPN. You're basically saying, hey world, here's my IP address and my private information, just take it. So that is why you gotta be using a VPN in 2018. Hackers are getting smarter. They're developing software that can tear down your computer in seconds. Viruses are all over the net, so you gotta find a way to protect yourself from all of this. Now there's a lot of great free or paid VPNs out there. You got TunnelBear, you got NordVPN, you got ExpressVPN. There are lots of good VPNs out there, so you really gotta be taking advantage of all of that protection and protect your data today. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to smash the like button super hard. I would really appreciate it. Seriously, this video was like super hard to edit. I don't know if you've noticed, but I just need to get better at this editing stuff. And hitting that like button would really do me a lot down here. So wait, down here. Yeah, down here. So really hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. You're missing out on a lot of good content over here. This channel is all about making tech as fun as possible, and would really love to have you on board. So be sure to hit the like button if you're new here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.